Okay, today we are making a mini-sized volcano, and then it's gonna shoot out white lava. Because we can't make it red because we don't have the right stuff. Okay, safety, goggles, and gloves. Let me turn these back over.
Okay, it's something all the kids gotta remember at home. Ask your parents if you can watch this, because it's very graphic, and do not try this at home. Please.